Welcome and thank you for purchasing our repair tape. The following video clips show you how to properly repair a tear in a sample piece of cover material. This same technique is used to repair covers, end panels, and curtains. To repair the torn material, you will need a scissors, single hole punch, and repair tape. For best results, first clean and dry the damaged area to remove soil and grease from the material. Once you have cleaned the area, use a single hole punch to create holes on each side of the damaged area. These holes provide a stronger, longer lasting seal between the material and the repair tape once it is applied. Check all holes to ensure they are cleanly punched. Remove all loose material from the punch holes if necessary. Next, measure and cut a length of tape that covers the damage. Allow the tape to extend past the tear by a few inches at each end. Remove the tape backing and carefully place the tape over the tear. The tape must cover the damage area and all punched holes. When in position, press the tape securely onto the material. For the remaining side of the material, measure and cut a second piece of tape and press firmly to the material. This section of tape sticks to the material and to the first section of tape, which creates a strong bond between the two. As demonstrated, small cuts and worn areas are easily repaired using our premium repair tape.